guys, it's Bella and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're brand new. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you can't tell by the title, we're going to be doing this makeup tutorial. It's called my Ice Goddess Glow makeup tutorial. I did this exact tutorial last year, so I'll link that down below if you guys want to watch that. I used most of the same products, but I obviously have different techniques, different background, kind of like a different voice too. But yeah, I like how it came out better this year, but last year I was just a beginner. And you know, every single day my makeup skills grow, and so yeah, I think this year is a lot better, but I'm not hating on myself last year because I still think I did pretty good. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe down below so you can join the Goria Gang. Click that bell so you get notified when I post. I upload every Tuesday and Friday, and I think that's all I have to say. If y'all want to know how I got this look, oh yeah, I forgot to show you guys my highlight. Then keep on watching. Okay guys, so the first thing I want to start off with is my eyes. I'm going to first prep it with the P. Louise eyeshadow base, and this is in the shade 2, just to give us a very clean base, no veins, no nothing. Alright, and now we're going to go ahead and go in with the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. This is exactly what I used last year, and we're going to set our crease with the shade Rollin' in the Joe right here. It's just like a nice cream neutral color. Alright, so for the crease color, I'm going to first go in with So Bougie, which is just like the lightest neutral transition color. It's exactly what I used last year. And how fitting, because your girl, y'all know, I'm Bougie Bells and I'm so bougie. And this color is just going straight through the crease. And these mattes blend so well. Like, I literally love the way these Too Faced mattes blend in this color, and then the new Pretty Rich palette, so good. Next color I'm going to take is the color Cocoa Truffle, just a tiny bit of this and the outer V area to darken it up a little. And I'm using the same brush, I'm not switching brushes or anything like that. So now that we have like our base down and our crease color, we're going to go ahead and go in with our lid color. So the color I used last year is the color Drippin' Diamonds, and I'm going to use it again this year because it's just my favorite. It's so pretty. But I have like a new trick that I've been doing lately. So what I do, instead of cutting my crease with like a concealer, I've been using the NYX glitter glue, and this thing makes anything pop. Like, it's just so good. So I'm going to be using this instead of like cutting my crease to get more of an intense pigment out of a shimmer color. Now that I've cut the crease, I'm going to go ahead and go in with the Drippin' Diamonds color and pop this right on that wet base. See how that just makes it pop so much? Like, that is literally one layer of color. Alright, now I'm just going to take more of Cocoa Truffle and just blend those edges because that looks quite whack right now. Literally cannot speak. For mascara, I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Better Than Sex. You can add lashes if you want. I'm just going to go ahead and leave it the way it is. But yeah, I'm going to use Too Faced. Alright, so we will come back and finish our eyes, like our lower lash line, a little bit later. But I'm going to go ahead and go in with my primer. I'm going to use Bobbi Brown and Vitamin Enriched Face Base, and then on top of that I'm going to use Strobe Cream by MAC. Alright, so next up for foundation, I'm going to go in with my NARS Natural Radiant in Santa Fe. Y'all know, this is my all-time favorite foundation. I've been using it ever since last year. Like, this time last year, maybe like 2 months before. I think I started using it in November of last year, and it's just been literally a holy grail for over a year. It's so good. I only use about 2 pumps of this foundation, and then I build it up. And now I'm going to take my beauty blender and blend it all in. Foundation is blended, and we're gonna go in with some concealer. I like to use the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and this is in the shade Vanilla. It's just my all-time favorite concealer. I've been using it since it came out, and it's so good. It's just super consistent for me. I absolutely love it. And again, I'm blending this out with my beauty blender. And I'm going to go and set my whole face with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish up our under eyes. And I'm going to take So Bougie, which is the original crease color we use, and just sweep this from outer corner to inner corner. And then on the outer corner, I'm going to put Cocoa Truffle. These eyes are already so much better than last year's. Just look how precise that is. Like, yes, please. I swear that NYX glitter glue is everything for shimmer shades. And I know it says glitter, but you can literally use it for anything. And then I'm going to pop some mascara on the lower lash line as well. Alright, and now on to finish up our face. I'm going to take the Too Faced Sun Bunny Bronzer and warm up my face with my Aesthetica P.2 brush. I love this bronzer because it really does just warm up the face so well, and it leaves the most beautiful golden sheen. We are bronzed up. Alright, next up, let's do some blush. This is the same blush I used last year. It's Tarte Amazonian Clay Exposed. Y'all, these blushes are so good. And I'm just taking my Morphe E4 brush. This is my favorite blush brush. So last year I used the Huda Beauty Winter Solstice palette, but I actually don't have that anymore. So a couple weeks ago I ordered this baby from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and I was like, what highlighter do I use today? And I was like, why is this so fitting for today's look? I think I'm gonna go in with the color Arctic Sky, Frozen Gold, and Alaskan Ice. I'm also going to go ahead and stick this highlighter in the inner corner of my eye if I can find my inner corner brush. And I'm just going to mix the same colors again. So I'm going to go ahead and set my face, and I'm going to use the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. And let that just soak in. And I'm going to use the same lip color as last year, and I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Silver Fox Lip Contour, and then the Huda Beauty Silver Fox Liquid Matte Lipstick. Oh my gosh, that looks so crazy. Alright, I think we're done. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. It's definitely out there, and this lip color is all over my teeth, and also makes my teeth look really yellow. Alright, I had to touch up my lips a little bit more because it didn't have enough coats. But yeah, you guys, that is the end of this video. Let me know down below if you guys liked this year's tutorial or last year's tutorial better, because I personally like this year's better because obviously I'm better at makeup and I have, you know, more tricks and tips. But last year was also very, very good. And if you haven't seen that, like I said, I'll link it in the description below. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you're going to recreate this look, and if you have any of these products that you're going to recreate it with. I love you guys so much, and don't forget to subscribe, click that bell, and join the Goria Gang, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.